Notes. Nag 1. Computer ante yimichi. Computer అనేది డేటాను స్వీకరించి ఇన్పుట్, ప్రాసెస్ చేసి ఫలితాన్ని అవుట్పుట్ ఇచ్చే ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ పరికరం. IPO cycle input, process, output. Keyboard CPU monitor. Number 2. Computer లక్షణాలు 1. Speed. Accuracy చిచత్వం. Storage 1. Automation వించపని. Reliability. Multitasking ఒకసారి అనేక పనులు. Computer తరాల. First generation 1940 to 1956, vacuum tubes, UDA, ENIAC. Second generation 1956 to 1963, transistors. Wager generation 1964 to 1971 circuits IC. Fourth generation 1971 to present, microprocessors. Fifth generation artificial intelligence, AI robotics. Number 4, Kantara Kalu, size Aranga 1, supercomputer 2, mainframe computer, 3 mini computer, microcomputer. Hash purpose aharanga 1 general purpose, 2 special purpose. Number 5, computer bagalu, hardware takalige pagaluda, keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, printer. Software ramsada, Windows, MS Office. Number 6, input devices, keyboard data yenter chairaniki, mouse painting device, scanner documents scan, microphone voice input, webcam video input. 7. Output devices, monitor falitani chupistundi, printer paper print, speaker audio, projector with a screen projection. 8. CPU, central processing unit, Fagalu, ALU, arithmetic logic unit, CU, control unit. 3. Memory unit. Number 9. Memory had a primary memory. RAM, temporary memory, power off, aite data upotundi. ROM, permanent memory, power off, aina untundi. Secondary memory, hard disk, SSD, pen drive, CD, DVD. Number 10, storage units, unit value, bit 0 leda 1, 8 bits, 1 byte, 1004 bytes, 1 KB beats, 1 MB, 1004 KB, 1 GB, 20 GB, 1 TB. Number 11, software types. System software da Windows, Linux. Application software da MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Nerve operating system OS money yugel gunavaradi uda Microsoft Windows, Linux, Android panulu, memory management, file management, device management. Number 13, MS Word gal, letters, reports, resumes, documents, shortcuts. Control C equals copy, Control V equals paste, X equals cut, Control S save, Control P print. Number 14, MS Excel Wagalo, calculations, attendance, salary sheets, stock records, formulas, quant equal average, X min, will count. Number 15, MS PowerPoint Opagalu, presentations, seminars, training, shortcut F5 equals slideshow. Number 16, internet Netflix, email, websites, online banking, online shopping. Number 17, browser daharlu, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, email hat, 2CC, BCC, subject, attachment. Computer to network akalu, 1, LAN, man 1. Number, cybersecurity jackerthu, strong password, OTP, yoriki, chepakudu, unknown links, click che kurdu, antivirus vadali. 91, computer full forms, CPU equals central processing unit, RAM equals random access memory, ROM equals read-only memory, ALU arithmetic logic unit, CU control unit, USB universal serial bus, UPS uninterruptible power supply, www equals World Wide Web, HTTP hypertext transfer protocol, URL equals uniform resource locator. Hack manin antru intriyeru, Charles Babbage, CPU to yeni antaru, brain of computer. 2 RAM memory, temporary memory. ROM memory, permanent memory. So tauntan your byte equal 5 putirupam, World Wide Web CPU. 7 input device udahara, keyboard. Output device udahara, monitor. 9 operating system udahara, Windows. UI computer basics nundi prata wujak parikshlu, clerk, Ricard assistant, library assistant, APCOS parikshlu upayo pare mankiman noj.